You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Interesting word from pronunciation for more Japanese pronunciations from fashion and more brand names as well. Make sure to stay tuned. Japanese fashion subculture. Now this is Japanese, the Japanese iteration of the word gal, as in a girl, right? Gal. Now Japanese cannot pronounce gal really well, so they'd say gyaru. Gyaru is how they would say it. Gyaru, meaning gal or girl. Gyaru. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.